Hello students. So now for 12th standard, as you have already finished Act 4 in your first term examination, and Act 3rd was already finished in 11th standard. So now I am supposed to start Act 5. Act 5 is very important because this is the end of the play, and this has only one scene. Though the scene is very long, all the main characters will keep on entering into the scene, and there will be a lengthy conversation among the characters, but you will see one of the major qualities of Prospero, that is his forgiveness towards his enemies. So this scene takes place before Prospero's cell. पूरे एक्ट में इस बड़े से सीन में से कहीं से भी कोई रेफरेंस उठा के पूछा जाए where does the scene takes place, आप बताएंगे the scene takes place before Prospero's cell. Enter Prosperos, and Prospero is wearing his magical robes. Ariel is also present. So in the beginning of the scene only two characters are there, but throughout the scene you will see that the characters, they will keep on entering and leaving Prospero. Now does my project gather to a head, my charms crack not. Prospero is very happy because all his plans, ठीक है, they are about to complete. Head means completed, project means plans. But his magic has not failed. Crack not का मतलब failed. So his magic remained effective till his plans reached the climax. My spirits obey and time goes upright with his carriage. And he says that all my spirits, including Ariel, they have obeyed him. And the time is also helping to remove the burden of Prospero. Then he asks a question from Ariel. How's the day? Meaning to say what time of the day it is. Then Ariel replies, on the 6th hour, at which time, my lord, you said our work should cease. So Ariel says that this is the time is 6 o'clock, and this is the time when you said that our plan will come to an end. Cease means stopped. Prospero, I did say so when first I raised the tempest. Say my spirit, how fares the king and the followers. So Prospero also remembers the fact that when he ordered Ariel to create tempest in the ocean, at that point of time, he told Ariel that his plan will come to an end by the evening. So he says that what are King Alonso and his followers doing? तो यहाँ पे King Alonso के लिए है, followers you can include all the characters, Gonzalo, Sebastian, Antonio and the other lords. Ariel, confined together in the same fashion as you gave in charge just as you left them. So Ariel says all your enemies, including King Alonso, they are huddled together in a similar manner as you have ordered them with the help of your magic. All prisoners, sir. So they all are in prison. Matlab in a way they are confined in the lime grove which weather fence your cell. So they are, they are confined inside the lime grove. Lime grove is orchard of lemons. And the same grove, the same orchard which gives shelter from weather, which protects your cave from extreme weather. They cannot budge till your release. So they cannot move unless and until you free them. The king, his brother and your abide all three distracted. And then he gives a very important information that King Alonso, his brother Sebastian and your brother Antonio, they all remain mad. Distracted means mad, senseless. And the remainder mourning over them. And the other lords, meaning to say Gonzalo, Francisco and Adrian, etc. So they were weeping over the condition of the king, brimful of sorrow and dismay, but chiefly him that you termed, sir, the good old Lord Gonzalo. And actually they are shedding tears of sorrow and surprise, and especially the same person Gonzalo, whom you called as the good old lord. तो जिस गोंजेलो को आप ऑनेस्ट लॉर्ड, गुड ओल्ड लॉर्ड बोलते हैं सर, वो तो सबसे ज़्यादा ग्रीफ स्ट्रिकन है. हिज टीयर्स रन डाउन हिज बियर्ड लाइक विंटर ड्रॉप्स फ्रॉम ईव्स टू रीड्स. ये सिमिली यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है, कंपैरिजन देखिए. द टीयर्स ऑफ गोंजेलो आर फॉलिंग ऑन हिज बियर्ड जस्ट लाइक द रेन ड्रॉप फॉल्स ऑन द थैचेड रूफ्स. So this is a very beautiful comparison, and this is simile. Your charm so strongly works them that if you now beheld them, your affections would become tender. Then Ariel conveys this information to Prospero that your magic has so strongly affected them that if you will see them and their pathetic condition, your feelings would become pitiful. You yourself will become pitiful when you will see the poor condition of Alonso and his team. Prospero, those thou think so, spirit? Then Prospero says, do you feel so? Mine would, sir, were I human. Ariel says, I would definitely be moved by their conditions if I were a human being. क्योंकि एरियल तो एक एरी स्पिरिट है, लेकिन वो जो कंडीशन वहाँ से वो विटनेस करके आया है, देख करके आया है, उसको लग रहा है कि अगर वो ह्यूमन बीइंग होता तो ही वुड हैव बीन फिल्ड विद द फीलिंग्स ऑफ पिटी फॉर दोज पीपल. And he says same for Prospero also. Prospero, and mine shall, has thou which art but air, a touch, a feeling of their afflictions, and shall not myself, one of their kind, that relish all as sharply passion as they. अब Prospero बोल रहा है कि I would also develop feelings of pity for these people because you are made out of air. So if according to you cannot see their sufferings, so how can I see their sufferings? Because I am one of their kind. I am also human being like them. ठीक है? And I also feel as sharply as these people. So my passion, my feelings are also similar like Alonso and other people. Be kindlier moved than thou art. So I shall not feel more kindly than you do. तो जितना आप बोल रहे हैं कि आप काइंडली फील करते, किसके लिए? अलोंसो और उसकी टीम के लिए, उनकी पैथेटिक मैड सिचुएशन देख करके, तो डेफिनेटली Prospero also says that he is also a human being and a kind-hearted human being, so he would also develop feelings of pity for them. Though with their high wrongs I am struck to the quick, yet with my nobler reason against my fury do I take part. And then Prospero is also reminded of the fact that these people, they are so wicked and they have done such high wrongs in the past that it is deeply stuck in the heart of Prospero. वो बोलता है कि although they have given me the reason to grieve and I cannot forget the kind of wrongs which they have done to me and my daughter, yet I will be governed by my kindness than my hatred. वो बोल रहा है कि I will be more moved by my nobler reason than my fury. Fury means hatred or revenge. The rarer action is in virtue than in vengeance. ये जो क्लॉज है ये बहुत पूछा जाता है और इसकी मीनिंग भी बहुत पूछी जाती है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि the most important quality of a human being, the biggest virtue of a human being is to forgive rather than to take revenge. So vengeance here means revenge and virtue here is a metaphor for forgiveness. They being penitent, the sole drift of my purpose doth extend, not affront further. So now that I have given them proper punishment, and they must also have realized that they have committed great wrong in the past. So now I do not want to be angry to them, or I do not want to express any anger against them. Go release them. तो ये एक important instruction है जो Prospero इस सीन में एरियल को देता है, और वो क्या बोलता है कि go and release. तो किनको release? ये them कौन हो गए? अलोंसो और उसकी टीम. My charms I'll break, and as far as my magic is considered, I will break it. Their senses I will restore. So now that their senses have been locked with the magical effect of Prospero, he says that he will break his magic, and then they will restore their senses, and they shall be themselves. Themselves means then they will become the normal human beings. Ariel की exit हो जाती है because Ariel is in big hurry to get freedom, so he says I will fetch them, sir. ये जो Prospero की स्पीच है ये बहुत ही लेंदी भी है और डिफिकल्ट भी है, but there is no need to worry because this is hardly asked in board examination, as it has nothing to do with the plot construction or the character identification. तो इसलिए ये जो स्पीच है वो आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, but very rarely it is asked in boards. ये elves of hills, brooks, standing lakes and groves. अब क्योंकि Prospero जो है he has made up his mind to give up his magic, Prospero wants to end up his magic. So for that reason he has made a circle and he's standing inside that circle, and then he's expressing his gratitude and his thanks to all the spirits and all his magical power, with the help of which he has been able to survive on this deserted island on his with the help of his magic. So he says, you fairies of hills, brooks, brooks means streams, standing lakes, lakes जो है वो ठहरा हुआ पानी होता है, still ponds जो होते हैं, and groves means orchards, and ye that on sands with printless food do chase the ebbing, and in the running streams still, you who on the sandy beaches pursue the receding tide of the sea, leaving no footprints on the sands. So he is talking to the spirits who were invisible on the islands and who on the command of Prospero would chase the tides of the sea. Neptune, Neptune is referred to sea god, and they do fly them. तो स्पिरिट्स जो हैं वो प्रॉस्पेरो के कमांड पे इनविजिबल होकर के सी गॉड नेपट्यून के टाइड्स को भी वापस ओशन में भेज देते थे. यू डेमी पपेट्स इज रेफर्ड टू स्मॉल साइज्ड फेरीज, या जिनको आप ड्रॉलरी, अगर आपको याद हो, जो बैंक्वेट सीन में आए थे, ठीक है, तो जो ड्वार्फ्स के शेप में थे, जिन्होंने वेलकम किया था किंग और रॉयल पार्टी को फूड के लिए, फीस्ट के लिए. तो ही इज थैंकफुल टू द स्मॉल साइज्ड फेरीज, ड्रॉलरीज. बाय मूनशाइन डू द ग्रीन्स आर रिंकलेट्स मेक, whereof the eve not bites. So these fairies, these small spirits, they had the responsibility to beautify the island, ठीक है, and they used to make the green ringlets, small rings, and during the moonshine it used to add to the beauty of the island. And even the mother sheep present on the island could not bite the other human beings. And you whose pastime is to make midnight mushrooms. और यही फेरीज जो होते थे, यही ड्रॉलरीज जो होते थे, जिनके पास कम मैजिकल पावर होती थी और जिनकी ड्यूटी होती है आइलैंड को ब्यूटिफाई करने के लिए, तो वो मिडनाइट मशरूम्स ग्रो करते थे जिससे आइलैंड की ब्यूटी इन्हांस होती थी. दैट रिजॉइस टू हियर द सोलेम कर्फ्यू, and during the night they used to ring bells, create music which would break the curfew, which would break the silence of the island. By whose aid, weak masters though ye be, I have bedimmed the noontide sun, called forth the mutinous winds. And although these spirits, they were weak masters का मतलब although their magical power was weak, but in spite of that they bedimmed, ठीक है, they darkened the midnight sun. तो वो जब आफ्टरनून भी होता था, फुल सन भी होता था, तो भी वो अपने मैजिक से उसको डार्कन कर देते थे. एंड दे यूज टू क्रिएट म्यूटिनियस विंड्स, ठीक है, रेबेलियस स्टॉर्म. एंड बिटवीन द ग्रीन सी एंड द अज्योर्ड वॉल्ट, अज्योर्ड का मतलब होता है ब्लू और वॉल्ट मीन्स स्काई. सो इन बिटवीन ग्रीन सी, ठीक है, एंड द ब्लू स्काई set roaring war, created a huge tempest. So it was not only Ariel who was using his magical power to create the tempest. In fact, the drollery or the small spirits were also responsible for helping Ariel in making the tempest look real and dangerous. Have I given fire and rifted Jav stout oak with his own bolt? And then he is talking about his own magical power. वो बोल रहा है कि I have given fire, I have created fire like the thunderstorm, and I have split. Rift means to split, ठीक है, to break a thing into two parts. A split things. Jav's stout oak. Jav is thunder god of thunder, and stout oak is a kind of a tree. So with the help of magical power, he created flashes, he created thunders, thunder lightning, and then just like god Jav, and he has a split oak tree with his own bolt. The strong, तो ये देखिए the two gods are referred here. Neptune is sea god and Jav is god thunder. और दोनों की जो पावर्स हैं वो बिल्कुल उसी तरह की पावर जो है वो प्रॉस्पेरो अपने मैजिक से क्रिएट कर ले रहा है. The strong based promontory have I made shake, even the projecting rocks of the island, ठीक है, they were also shaken by my magical powers, and by the spurs means roots, plucked up the pine and cedar. Pine and cedar are also trees like oak. So with the help of my magical power, I have plucked out, I have taken out the trees like pine and cedar from their roots. Graves at my command have wakened their sleepers, opened and led them forth by my so potent art. And on my command, on my magical orders, even the graves were opened. Okay, even the graves were opened, and the sleepers, the dead bodies sleeping inside the graves, they used to come out in order to follow the command of Prospero. They were released by him with the help of his strong magical art. But this rough magic I here abjure. Abjure का मतलब to give up, surrender, to end up. तो Prospero बोल रहा है कि although my magic was so strong, and the spirits of this island, they have helped me to such an extent, but in spite of that, I have decided to give up my magical power. And when I have required some heavenly music, and for this I need magical music to be played, which still is being played, which even now I do. तो एक तरह की मैजिकल म्यूजिक चल रही है. आपने देखा कि एरियल ने भी इसके पहले मैजिक सॉन्ग्स का यूज़ किया, और स्पेशली जब अलोंजो और गोंजेलो पे अटैक होने वाला था, तो भी एरियल ने म्यूज़िक चलाई थी. और ट्रिंकुलो, स्टेफानो और कैलेबन को भी अट्रैक्ट किया था फिल्दी मैंटल्ड पूल की तरफ. तो एरियल का जो म्यूज़िक है या फिर जो मैजिकल म्यूज़िक है, उसका बहुत बड़ा रोल है प्ले को सुपरनैचुरल एस्पेक्ट देने के लिए. तो वो बोल रहा है कि ऑल्दो ये म्यूज़िक चल रही है, एंड आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू गिव अप माई मैजिक टू वर्क माइन एंड. ठीक है, बिकॉज माई पर्पस इज नाउ कंप्लीट, माई प्लान इज नाउ has now come to an end. Upon their senses that the airy charm is for. So now I have decided to rot up my magic, to end up my magic, so that I can bring the senses of my enemies, meaning to say Alonso and his team. I'll break my staff. Staff means magical charm. Bury its earthen fathoms in the earth. तो मैं अपने magical power को I will throw it or I will bury inside the deep earth. And deeper than did ever plummet sound, I'll drone my book. And as far as my magical book is considered, what will I do? I will throw into the deep water of the ocean, and the depth will be so great that even the plumb line sound could not reach. So the line by which the depth of the sea is measured, that is called as plummet. So I will throw my magical book into the sea beyond the reach of sounding plumb line. सो वो डिसाइड कर लेता है. इस पूरे स्पीच में कुछ नहीं है, बस ही इज बीइंग वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड थैंकफुल टू ऑल द स्पिरिट्स. एंड देन ही गिव्स द रेफरेंस ऑफ 2 गॉड्स, नेपट्यून सी गॉड, जब गॉड ऑफ थंडर. एंड देन ही गिव्स द रेफरेंस ऑफ 3 trees, oak, pine and cedar. And then he also says that with the help of his magical power, he has taken out the sleeping deads from the graves to help him. And then he's thankful to the drollery also. But finally at the end of the speech, he decides to give up his magic. And then he says that he will throw his magical book deep into the ocean where nobody could found. तो इतना ही बोलता है, तभी सोलेम म्यूजिक चलती है और फिर एरियल की री एंट्री होती है. ठीक है, सो आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई ए पार्ट फ्रॉम एंड आई विल स्टार्ट the B part of the video from this place, where again his speech continues, and this is equally difficult and important speech.